Hello tutors. Welcome to EduGyan. In this video, we will learn about how you can make your own logo with Canva for free. First of all, you need to log into your Canva account. If you do not have any, then refer to our video, How to use Canva, for more details. Let's get started. Go to the search bar and type logo. Here, you will be shown a lot of dynamic templates. If you want to create your own design from scratch, then select a blank template. Or else, you can go with any template. Edit your design accordingly. You can enter text of your choice. Apart from this, you can edit color, element, and image of the template. After you are done with designing, you can rename it. Click on Share button to download and save your design. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.